Hi guys, this is just a quick doodle. I've just picked a letter A for a colouring page. So this is not neat and tidy or finalised. This is just the process I go through when designing things. I do a quick rough sketch to get some ideas onto paper before finalising, changing things. This will probably be changed 3 or 4 more times before it becomes a actual colouring page. There will be a whole alphabet of colouring pages. Some of them will have the doodles on the outside and the actual letter will be plain, but this one I was doing the inside doodles. So I'm just randomly drawing lines, seeing whatever comes to my fancy. So you'll see through this I make lots of different changes, but there's still going to be more to come. It's just quick, dirty, bit of a mess. Nothing's really neat and tidy or organised, none of the edges. I will tidy up once I've finalised what I'm actually going to do, and then I will actually create the page in Illustrator rather than Photoshop, so that my lines are straight and my circles are even, because you'll soon discover I can't draw straight lines and I can't draw circles freehand. My hands shake a lot, so I need to use assistance to get everything nice and neat and tidy so that it can actually become a colouring page. So I'm just randomly putting things in, really. There's not much more to say. I'll see you all soon.